Alright guys, we're out here at Walton Run, little tiny creek, and I threw it in just one time just to kind of see, and we got a fish. So yeah, a little red breast sunfish, nice little fish there. Yeah, I'm gonna fish here for a little while. This is just in this pocket here, right by the little not spillway, but a little bit where the water's kind of running pretty quick. But yeah, so it friggin' annihilated it first cast in there. So all right, get it off the hook and get back to you. Walton Run, never fished here before, really close to my house. Oh, that got ate right away. There was a honey hole here, but anyway, so yeah, one fish on the day so far. So I don't know if you guys actually know. Oh, another fish, tiny little sunny. But I don't know if you guys actually know. Okay, you can stop flopping. You don't even have it hooked in your mouth. But I'm gonna post it on Instagram. It'll probably be up by the time this video is up. But Tristan went to the Juniata. I'm by myself today, actually. But Tristan went to the Juniata, and he, in one day, he caught 33 fish. So, yeah, he's way ahead of me right now, and I need to start making my way back to him. Up with these two catches here, he's only up by 20, but still, that's a lot of fish I gotta make up. Another one. Did you swallow the hook? No, he didn't, but he's damn close. I have to grab you old school. Oh, there you go. Got her out. Fish is good. Let's go. Tristan went to the Juniata. He couldn't record because the way the Juniata works is you put your stuff on a tube. You put your fishing tackle on a regular tube that floats in the water, and you wade the entire Lake Juniata River, and it's really like in a bathing. You wade in a bathing suit. The highest it gets is chest high, the entire river. So, like I really want to go, and I almost did go, but I had some other stuff to do. But anyway, so yeah, that's why I'm out here by myself trying to, get my numbers up. This spot, Walton Run, is actually right by my house. And I actually just moved because, believe it or not, I got married. So, I'll still try and get out as much as I can. Oh, no. I feel like I'm fly fishing. But yeah, so I got married. Another fish. No, oh, that's a baby, Sonny. All right, that's number 4. I'm really starting to catch them now. All right, you're gonna have to get grabbed this way. Ow. Actually, I probably could just shake you off. Yeah, there you go. I touched it. But yeah, so this is actually a really nice little lake. Little creek, sorry. But if you're wondering why the videos are... Oh, wow, that was immediately. That's a good one, too. Holy good Lord. That's a good sunfish. Man, it's the biggest sunny all day. That's about the size of my hand. It's another good one. I'm fishing a itty bitty trout magnet on a medium fast rod. I'd rather fish this on a light rod, but I don't have one of those now. For those who don't know, all the fans that have been watching for a little while have known that the very first video that we put out at Mason's Mill and, oh, we got a fish, at Mason's Mill and the Delaware Canal, I broke my first rod, or the rod that I had. I broke it. This is barely hooked, touched, all right, landed it. Oh, he fell off. I got him. It's a caught fish. But anyway, he's fine. He went in the water. He landed in the water. Don't worry, guys. He's not hurt or nothing. But anyway, yeah, I broke my rod, and now I don't have that rod anymore because my dad now has that. That was his rod, and I was just like, you know what? Keep it. I was like, that's my reel, but he uses it now, and he really likes it. And I'm like, you know what? Keep the reel. Go ahead. That's fine with me. Now, he has it, and now I have, well, that's after I bought this American Hero spinning combo. As you guys know, I have the American Hero bait casting combo, which I love dearly. I just haven't been able to fish it recently just because of, small cricks and, not really wanting to get a bird's nest in there and losing everything that I have. But yeah, so this American Hero combo, I forget which sale it was. It might have been Labor Day. I think it was actually Labor Day when Sportsman's Warehouse. I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of Sportsman's Warehouse. It's a smaller version of Cabela's, but it's a really, really good outdoor sporting goods store. Yeah, this is where I bought this. I bought it online, and they had a Labor Day sale. It was 60% off. So I got this rod for $30. And then I got some line with it as well. And yeah, this rod has been actually doing me pretty well. I've caught most of the fish on this one. Bait casting, I would have caught more on it, but I haven't got a chance to actually get out with it recently. Just because I've been really busy because, I just got married. And I haven't really been able to get out on bigger lakes. But that'll be coming definitely very soon if Tristan gets a vehicle, so he can tow his boat around and, But yeah, so that's just a later thing. And, oh, that's another one. There we go. Another fish on the day. That's a decent sized one. There we go. Another good one. Yeah, we're starting to creep back up on Tristan. Tristan, you better count your days, bud. Alright, guys, just kind of walk down a little bit further. It was just right over here, that area. Just walk down a little bit, but this looks freaking saucy. Yeah, there we go. Another one. That's a good one, too. These ones also don't freak out when you lip them, too. But I might have to... There we go. Another little sunfish. This water is a little murky, but it did just rain yesterday, so I wonder if that has anything to do with it. Another fish. Tiny little guy. But hey, fish is fish. Touched them. Oh, this one's kind of chunky. He's a chunky little guy. Oh, gee. Yeah, he's pregnant. She's pregnant. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Saw him eat that. Oh, he is spinning. Oh, man, his mouth is fat. What a fish. That's a good sunfish right there. I don't know if it's the biggest one, but it's a good one. And hey, it's another fish to the counter. keep on going. And you barely fought, man. Another one. Oh, perfect spot. That's exactly where I wanted it. Yeah, I got you, bud. Felt like I knew there was going to be a fish in there. Okay, can't really lip that guy. Ha 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 ha. Good one. Get out of my sight. Wow. I saw him swim up for that thing like a freaking rocket. Right on the top of the lip. Another good one. Don't even know how many fish that is, but it's a lot. 13 fish on the day. See if we can get to 14 with this. I think we will. We got to 14. On a good fish, too. Man. 14. Sorry, bud. All right, well, 14 fish. $15. There we go. He was only up by 22 on me, so we're getting pretty close again. It's 15. Number 15. Yeah, I know he caught smallies, but none of them were huge either. There was a couple good ones, but hey, I can catch as many fish as I want to as well. And it just doesn't matter how. It doesn't matter what kind of fish. A fish is a fish. And that's number 16. Never mind, I don't need to change the hook. And you swallowed it, you son of a gun. Okay, you swallowed it kind of the same way as that other one, so I should be able to get you out. There we go. Okay, well, I have, I think, the world record for the smallest sunny ever caught. If I'm correct, that's 17. Oh, dang it. Sorry, I forgot. Wasn't in 0.5. Well, that's a thing. Yeah, I can't even lip them. Hook should come right out, but yeah, tiny little sunfish. Just saying hello. But yeah, 17. Yes. Another one. It's 18. Man, this is ridiculous. How they're just getting slayed. $18. Let's go. All right, number 19. Number 19. Well, you fought kind of hard, bud. 20. Let's frickin' go. Only down by 2 on Tristan now. Number 20. Let's go. Man, they're just getting annihilated. Let's go. 20 fish on the day. You love to see it. Oh, 21, sorry. 21. Now I'm officially one behind Tristan. 21. Tied him up. Let's go, babe. 20 freaking 2. What happened to your eye? Wow, I'm going to show that off. That's actually pretty freaking cool. All right, guys. Look, so look at this. I think this guy has gotten hooked in the eye before. It's actually kind of cool. And that's really sick. It's number 22 to tie Tristan back up, and it's a cool looking fish. Let's go. All right, let's take the lead now. Let's go. There we go. That's the 23rd fish of the day, guys. To take the lead ahead of Tristan. Man, he did not like that. But hey, 23. Let's go. Ahead of him now. Man, you came up and annihilated that. I saw that. Let's go. 24. Here we go. $25, I think. It's a good one too. Another good one. It's a good sunfish right there. That's not how you catch a fish, but I think it still counts. When it came off and I touched it, 26. But, well, 27. I was gonna say, shout out to, sorry man, I forget your name, but, well, it's 27. I forget your name. But, Tristan and I, we met you outside of a Wawa. We were on our bikes. Usually I have my car, but we were on our bikes. We showed you the channel. If you could just just leave a comment saying that you are seeing the videos, and just let us know how you're liking them. Just a quick shout out to you. Pretty cool. $28. Ooh, that could have been real bad. I barely touched him, and I am bleeding. Whew. I hooked myself. Guys, we're gonna walk up this way a little bit, see if there's anything up in here. There's gotta be something here, right? Well, I was quick. 29. $30. Another tiny one, but he's back in the water. Number 30. No, that's 31. Another one. 32 or 33, I think 32, but just gonna have to wait and see. There we go. There we go, that's perfect. $33. Let's go, 33. It's our first pumpkin seed. All the other ones have been sunnies. But hey, we touched it. Ow. We got him. It's just... Here we go. 33. Officially taught Tristan for the Juniata. $34. Let's go. Let's go. Dropped him back in the water. Number 34 is a good one. Let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna end the day here at Walton Run. Did really, really, really well today. 34 fish on this trout magnet. Now that puts me ahead of Tristan. I'll have a final score counter of how many fish are total now with Tristan's 33 fish from the Juniata, which that will be in its own post on Instagram. But yeah, so really good day today. That puts me back ahead. All right, we'll see you next time. Evans Bros out.